Hi everyone, welcome to our overview of the Orange HRM Roster module, your all-in-one solution for creating, managing and publishing work schedules effortlessly. Tired of juggling wall notes, spreadsheets and multiple calendars just to keep your team organized? Manual scheduling often leads to missed shifts, confusion and unnecessary stress for managers and staff. The Roster module streamlines all of this by giving you a clear central place to plan and adjust work schedules in real time. You can easily see who's available, assign shifts and make changes instantly, saving time, reducing errors, and keeping your team aligned and productive. Follow along as we guide you through 6 steps to create and manage the perfect work schedule in Orange HRM Roster. Navigate to the Roster section from the main menu. You'll be displayed by the default weekly view showing the current week's schedule for a selected location. First, let's start by defining shift groups. Got staff working on different areas in a single department or location? You can define groups per job category. Got staff working on different shift times? You can define the groupings for each shift time your organization has. You can categorize your staff any way you like, using shift groups. Now, let's empower your team by assigning shift managers. Under Shift Group Managers, you can type the name of the employee you want to assign as the manager for this group. Once you select a manager, you can grant them specific permissions, such as create new shifts, modify shift times, delete shifts, assign employees to shifts, remove employees from existing shifts, and publish shifts for their group. This means you can precisely customize their access. Next, let's move on to creating shifts. There are 2 primary ways to add a shift. Method 1. Click on any empty cell. A form will appear where you can assign an employee, define the start and end times, add breaks and recurring shifts, and add notes. Method 2 is even faster. Simply drag and drop an employee from the list into an empty slot. A shift is created instantly using default work hours. Easily switch locations using this drop-down and toggle between week and month views without reloading the page. Use the arrows or the calendar picker to navigate to any date. Stop rebuilding schedules from scratch. With the Copy Week feature, you can replicate your entire schedule with all its shifts and assignments and apply it to future weeks up to 25 weeks in advance. It's the ultimate shortcut for efficient planning. Now, let's bring this schedule to life by assigning your team. To assign employees to existing shifts, just drag and drop them on top. If a shift is already assigned, the system will ask if you want to replace the current employee. White means the shift is open, but no one's assigned yet. Once you assign someone, it turns grey. That's your draft stage, where only managers can see it. Once published, the shift turns green. That's the confirmed schedule your employees will see. If you spot orange, that means the employee has a pending leave request, and the system will warn you if you try to schedule someone who is on leave. And finally, the green arrow symbol indicates an overnight shift, continuing past midnight into the next day. Once the schedule is perfect, let's publish the shifts. When you click Publish, you can select which shift groups to include and choose to send email notifications to employees with their personal schedules. A personalized email is automatically sent to each affected employee. This ensures everyone receives the right information at the right time, reducing confusion, improving clarity, and eliminating the need for manual follow-up. Once the shift is published, if you need to make a change, click on any shift to view its full details. You can update employee, group, start and end time, break duration, and shift notes. For complete oversight, admins can access the audit logs to see a detailed history of every change made in the roster, from shift edits to publishing actions. That's how the Orange HRM Roster module empowers organizations to plan and manage work schedules with clarity and efficiency. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, please contact sales@orangehrm.com.